Hello, my name is Aaron Parker, computer technician, and what we're going to talk about now is printing issues. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. Okay, I'm on a Windows 11 machine, and we're going to talk about some printing issues that you may have as an end user, whether it's at work or whether it's at home. So I'm on Windows 11 machine, and to get to your printers, you want to click on this little blue icon here. It doesn't say start until you hover your mouse cursor over there and rest on it. It's going to say start. So you click on that, and then you go type the word printers. That's going to bring up printers and scanners. Okay. And so if you're at home, everybody should have this at home. Go to printers and scanners. Okay. And then next, what you want to do, you click on the printer that you're having the issue with. So you click on that printer. And then here, if you click open print queue, it's going to open up a little funky print queue here where you can't do anything with it. Okay, so to circumvent that or to get around that, what you want to do here, after you've clicked on the printer in question, scroll down to the very bottom and click on More Devices and Printer Settings. This brings open the window that we're used to um, on other Windows machines. And so here, we see the printer in question here. Now you got a view that we can work with. So here's the printer, HP LaserJet 400. So now you click on it one time, then you right click with your right mouse button, okay? And then we wanna open up that printer window. We wanna see where the print jobs are. So you click on see what's printing. And once you click that, it brings up a window here. Now you can see your print jobs, okay? If you have a print job in here where something's not printing, okay, it may say offline or something like that. And or if you want to do a print test page, okay, to see if it's going to print, you just click on printer, go down here to printer properties. You should have this on every Windows machine has this option once you go to this area. And then you click on print test page. And once you do that, you see the job into going right there into the window, and then it disappears, signifying that it printed. If it did not print, you will get an error that may say printer, it might say printer offline here to the word here that's in color where it says 400 color. It may say offline or something like that. And so if I click on here, and then if I go say user printer offline, so you may see something like that. It may say use printer offline. Okay, so it's not going to print. So clicking on printer, making sure that that's not checked, that would solve it. Or, and then so now if I go here and I click on print test page, it's not going to go anywhere because it says use printer offline. So it's just going to stay hung up. Okay, so if you have a print job and it's hung up like that, but you do not see this, okay, just delete it. Just right click and say delete or cancel. And then it's going to say, are you sure you want to cancel? You say yes, and then it'll go away. Then you can restart your computer and then try to print and then try to print again. Okay, so you can either try to do that. So this window here will give you a lot of ways to look at your different printers and everything as opposed to this window here. Okay, as opposed to this window here where you see the exact same printers, but you see a lot more stuff here where you can really work with your printers. So you can right click and say see what's printing, and you go here and you click on open print queue, you get a whole different window, and you can't do anything with this window. If I click on open print, you have nothing to deal with. But if you right click here, which is the same thing, open print queue, it just says see what's printing. Then you could click on that, and then you see those print jobs. All right, you can see those print jobs. All right, so that's it, and hopefully that'll be able to help you find your jobs in the print queue.